one. Got one. Good one. Yes, sir. Felt him bite it. I was like, yep, got him. On the Senko. Look at that baby right there. Let's get a picture. For the gram. Keep my video up. Alright, I'm out. Recording a video for all today. Bank fishing adventures. Pulled out one. Yamamoto. Like a new bait I've never seen, but pull one out. About to get back out there. I don't know how deep this is. Here's a lot of thorn bushes, so like I said, we're bank fishing, baby. Let's get a little closer for him. Shoot. Yeah, getting ate up by thorn bushes. they brittle though, so just gotta, you know, break them. Ow. Bet. Got him back. All right, let's see if we can get back out there. All right. See, it's a lot of grass over here, so you need something weedless. Got this Yamamoto 5/0 hook on here. Kind of text posing it a little bit. Got a little weight on there. That's what we're going with. Water's a little calmer over here than it is on the side I first started on. Sifting down through some of this grass over here. Trying to let it sit, but keep enough tension on it to where if something does scoop it up, I feel it. It sits straight up as soon as it hits the bottom. It's like no lag, no slack in it. Nothing. We're gonna keep working our way around. Some little baby fish is jetting. All I see is that little tiny wake. said, this water, I don't know when they spawn here on this side of the pond. But all right, let's make our way. Keep making our way around.